Time for another Crimson Desert tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to beat Crowcaller. And forgive me, my voice is a little jacked up from a cold, but still wanted to get some content out there. So for him, you're going to be running a lot in this, and running and dodging is the name of the game with a lot of these enemies in Crimson Desert. But he has these triple attacks that he does, and you can just run away from those pretty easy. And then you can move in fairly close before you attack him, and he does do these little teleport into the crows type move really quickly. But if you just target him and do some of your strong attacks, you shouldn't have too much of an issue hitting this guy. And of course, make sure to heal up with your food. That's a given. And then I try to hit him there. What he's going to do, this aerial attack, which is a very swift attack, and if you time it right, you can definitely dodge it. My timing is always terrible, so I rarely am able to dodge it. But if you do time it right, you can totally dodge that dive attack. But there's a lot of time in between where he's just running around, standing there, not swinging, where you can actually target him. And then this boss, he has 3 phases, so essentially you have to beat him 3 times. And then the second, for the second phase, where there's a little animation that happens, and then after that, you're gonna fight him up on this this area up here, and then we're gonna go again. And he gets a little bit more aggressive in each phase, but there are still times when he's just running and not doing something, and you can get him mid-air when he's attacking. When he does that little jump attack, you can still get a little hit on him, and then just get a couple swings in, back up, and let him do his combination. He does like a double swing down right there, which is slow enough to where you should be able to dodge out of that, hopefully. And then again, just look out. He's going to do that little dive attack. And if you time it right, again, you can dodge out of the way. Luckily, his hits don't do a heap ton of damage, so you can take some hits and then heal up. It's not like he does one-shot hits like some of the other bosses. And then we'll get into the third phase here, and just more of the same. He's going to do that little dive attack whenever he has that the blue circles that come up. We'll let you know that he's going to do that. And then just run away, heal some more, and then look for that opening. See right there, he got me with a dive attack, and it took about 1/4 of my health away, maybe 1/3. So not terrible. It's not the end of the world if you get hit by him. I got hit by him plenty in this battle. And just mostly I'm using my heavy attack with my Bow of the Undead. And there you go. Hopefully some of those tips were helpful for you. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care and happy gaming, everyone.